Problem number 22 is an inverse variation problem. It says the price in dollars per barrel of oil varies inversely with the number of millions of barrels produced per day. If the price is $132 per barrel when 3 million barrels are produced per day, what is the price per barrel when 2.4 million barrels are used? So I'm going to say y equals k over x, and this y stands for price, and x stands for number of barrels. Okay, so I go back in and plug into my first equation, and it says if the price, y is the price, is $132 per barrel, K remembers what we're solving for in the first one, when 3 million barrels are produced, x is the number of barrels. So there's my equation. Remember, y equals k over x is always the inverse variation equation. You, again, like I said on the last one, you could make that P for price and that B for barrels. That would be perfectly acceptable if it helps you figure out, what goes where. That's perfectly acceptable. I think if you name it here, it works just as well, but it's certainly your choice. I want to solve for the K here now, so what am I going to do? I'm going to multiply both sides by 3, and I end up with K equals 396. Now, I go back to my second equation, y equals kx. Now I have my K, so I plug that in, and I have to decide, do I have my y or do I have my x? And I have to go back and read my equation. It says, what is the price? Price is the y, so that's what I'm going to be solving for, when 2.4 million barrels are produced. So my x is 2.4, the number of barrels. So this is my problem. I have 396 divided by 2.4, and that gives me my y is $165. I was looking for my price per barrel. And that's my answer. Y is $165 per barrel.